Hello, this is Tom Herbert, also known as TJ from Bo-Mer Plastics. We're here today in front of our facility located in the heart of the Finger Lakes, Auburn, New York. Today I'm going to introduce you to a product manufactured here from start to finish. It's called the medical lockboxes. These lockboxes, you may see them bedside in hospitals, holding IV bags safe and secure. This is a really neat product here at Bo-Mer as it involves many processes within our core business, custom thermoforming. We receive the material from a supplier, we form the two outer cases, send them down the line to the machining center, and then completely assemble each component to finish the job. Let's go take a look.
Here we are at one of our single station thermoforming machines. This is where we take the flat sheet of material and set it into an oven until it reaches its forming temperature. The heated sheet is then removed from the oven and a vacuum is created between the sheet and the mold. For this specific job, we are using a male mold on the top platen and a pressure box on the bottom so the mold comes down and pushes into the material. We are also using billet forming, so you will see a bubble being blown which pre-stretches the material as the mold and pressure box come together. This process is used to distribute the material more uniformly as vacuum and pressure are applied. The material takes a 3D replication of the mold surface, which creates the outer case of these lock boxes. The part then immediately enters the cooling stage and then is pulled from the mold. So here we have our formed part. Now we have to send it down the line to the machining center. Follow me.
So here we are in our fabrication center, which is the home to most of our 3 and 5 axis CNC machining centers. This is where we take our formed parts or flat sheets of material and trim them. This specific machine is a 5-axis thermoid, which is consistently trimming these lock boxes. Here you will see the formed parts that you saw earlier placed on fixtures to be cut to the customer's desired specs. Basically, anything that a human can do by hand with a router, these machines can do at a much more consistent and rapid rate.
So now we know how these parts are formed. Now you have seen how these parts are machined and fabricated. Let's go see how we finish the job off and assemble them.
Last but certainly not least, we are at our designated area for fabricating and assembling these lock boxes. So you saw how we form them, you saw how we machine them. Now we have to finish off the job and completely assemble them. So this part We have a lot of plastic and metal components that we need to completely assemble to these cases. As you can see right here, Susie fabricating the hinge to put the two outer cases together. She also has the handle on there. Here you are right here, completely assembled and finished medical lockbox. So this is bedside in hospitals to keep IV bags safe and secure. This is completely assembled and fabricated in-house from start to finish. Well, there you have it. This product is a great fit for us here at Bo-Mer because, like you just saw, it requires the part to be formed, machined, and then completely assembled, and we get to see the finished product go right out the door to the customer. Thank you for watching, and if we have a project that we can help bring to life, please get in contact with us. Thank you.